So the question is, what is e? Well, e is a very special number. So if you create a table with this heading n and 1 plus 1 over n, and let's say if you allow n to be 1, so this is 1 plus 1 over 1 raised to the power of 1, that in this case you get 2. And if you have 2 for n, so 1 plus half raised to the power of 2, then you get 2.25. And if you continue this process and letting n become larger and larger, you will see that eventually this value will reach to a limit, and this limit, that is, it will never exceed this limit. This particular limit is called e, and this is roughly 2.718281828. And this particular discovery was made by Euler, right? And how does it come about, this value? Well, from compound interest. People did compound interest, and you find that the formula for compound interest is very similar to this one. So here I have some exercises. Evaluate the following. There are about 11 questions. You may want to try this. Pause the video, and when you're ready, restart it. Okay, excellent. Let's read this. Well, this basically means logarithm e squared base e. Basically, it's asking how much this base here has to be raised to get e squared. Well, the answer is easy. It has to be raised twice because it's written here, right? E here. And here it means ln e. Well, that basically just means logarithm e base e. Now the question is how much the base e has to be raised to get e. Very good. Answer is only 1. Next is this. Well, remember that this is logarithm. Square root of e is basically e raised to the power of half, and ln is base e. So how much does e has to be raised to get e to the power of half? Well, the answer is easy, half, right? And here, how much 7 has to be raised to get 7? Once, all right? Next, how much 7 has to be raised to get 1? Well, that is 0, because 7 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1, right? That's the reason. Next, how much 10 has to be raised to get 10? Well, that's once. How much 10 has to be raised to get 1? 0 times, because again, 10 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. How much 1.2 has to be raised to get 1.2? Also once. Now at this stage, I hope that you can summarize what you have learned. All right? And you may want to show the summary to your teacher. Thank you very much.